If you have a Bartesian, this is a must-have for it. This helps your pods stay organized and also helps you keep an inventory of the pods you have and what you need to order. This also a perfect gift. Large capacity, holds up to 40 Bartesian capsules, letting you keep plenty of your favorite beverages at hand. Space saver, 13.5 wide x 14.7 deep x 3.7 high, perfectly fits under Bartesian Premium Cocktail Machine, taking up no additional counter space. Sturdy and stackable, high-quality metal construction with bottom rubber grippers will keep your drawer in place and make it stackable for storing even more Bartesian drink pods. Modern design, storage drawer with a matte, black finish and solid sides will complement your Bartesian Professional Cocktail Machine on any countertop or bar. Practical gift that any Bartesian cocktail machine owner will enjoy using. Compatible with Bev by Black Decker Cocktail Maker Machine. It really is a good space-saving design for my bar space, and I loaded it up and was very pleased with it. However, I just noticed on my recent order for cocktail capsules that Bartesian recommends they be refrigerated, so now I'm conflicted about using it. Just wanted people to be aware of this.